State leaders are weighing in tonight as the National Guard prepares to arrive in Memphis. State Representative Gabby Salinas says the Guard could get here as soon as tonight, while State Senator Brent Taylor says their role will strictly be supportive. Our Ezekiel Telemaco has more on what both lawmakers are saying about the timeline and the impact. Ezekiel.
State Representative Gabby Salinas says that this is the first real update she's heard since the Memphis Safe Task Force began operations last week. She now believes that National Guard troops could arrive as early as tonight or begin operations on Thursday or Friday.
What we have heard is that operations will start this week and potentially Friday, and there will be getting here before that, right? So it could be as early as this evening.
Salinas said that information came directly from a briefing for state representatives with the governor. She says it's the first time any state lawmakers had been told specific details about when the National Guard would arrive.
When asked specifically what they are going to do, it wasn't very clear. The National Guard is usually activated when there's a natural disaster or if there's civil unrest. That is not the case here in Memphis.
But State Senator Brent Taylor sees it differently. He says the National Guard will play a supportive role, not a combative one.
I envision them securing crime scenes, transporting prisoners, handling intake at the jails, maybe serving as bailiffs in the courtroom that would allow the law enforcement officers that are typically doing those types of jobs to get them out on the street fighting crime.
Salinas said the state should be focused on root causes instead of deploying troops.
What they're doing is a Band-Aid on what we need to be really addressing, which is poverty, making sure that people have access to health care, making sure people have access to well-paying jobs. The unemployment numbers are through the roof at this moment. And if we want to really tackle crime and have a long-lasting effect, those are the things that we need to be working on.
Taylor says Memphians shouldn't be worried about the presence of the Guard.
Everyone just needs to step back, take a deep breath, go outside, touch grass, and what they'll find is that the National Guard role here will be really administrative and support. You're not going to see National Guardsmen in Humvees chasing down and arresting criminals.
Salinas said that she's hosting a community meeting in Fraser tomorrow evening to teach residents about their rights and to answer questions about the National Guard's arrival. Live in studio, I'm Ezekiel Telemaco.